Could the answers to today's financial uncertainties be hidden in the wisdom of ancient Greece? Is it possible that a philosophy developed before the birth of the stock market holds the secret to not just surviving, but thriving in modern economic turmoil? Imagine applying a millennia-old strategy that transforms your approach to money, investing, and life itself. Could the Stoic serenity and self-control really be the master key in a world where financial volatility is the norm, not the exception? Prepare to discover how to connect timeless principles with contemporary financial goals, charting a path towards tranquility and prosperity amid chaos. Let's go back more than 2,000 years to the Stoas of Athens, where masters like Zeno and Epictetus sketched out a way of life that would change the world. It wasn't about conquering empires, but about conquering the mind and spirit. Today, these principles endure, not as relics, but as beacons illuminating our path in a world saturated with information and complex decisions. Think about the times you've faced market volatility, that sense of uncertainty. Now, imagine facing each rise and fall with unbreakable calm, a Stoic focus. What could we learn from these philosophers who saw life as a constant flow of opportunities to grow, regardless of circumstances? Here lies the essence of Stoicism: virtue as the highest good, the belief that happiness comes from within, not from material possessions. In a world where success is measured by net worth and investment returns, this perspective might seem counterintuitive. But what if I told you that applying these principles can lead to deeper wealth and wiser financial decisions? Throughout this video, we will explore how Stoicism intertwines with every aspect of our finances, from resilience in crises to making calm decisions amidst economic turbulence. We'll see how teachings from antiquity can be surprisingly relevant for modern investors, how they can help us build mental fortitude as solid as our investment portfolios. So, open your mind and prepare to view money and finance through a different lens, one that has been polished by centuries of wisdom and is now ready to face the future. This isn't just philosophy, it's the practical application of Stoicism for a richer, more balanced financial life. As we delve deeper into Stoic practice, we find a principle that resonates powerfully in the pulse of financial markets: emotional control. Stoics were not swayed by euphoria or panic, but advocated for a measured and reasoned response to external events. Imagine applying this same Stoic calm to your investments. When the market flounders, the Stoic investor stands firm, guided by strategy and long-term vision, not by the tide of speculation or rumor. In this era of instant information, where a tweet can shake stock indices, the ability to remain serene is more valuable than ever. Stoicism teaches us that true strength lies in adaptability and internal freedom, not in the volatility of the stocks we own. It's the strength that allows us to navigate the often stormy waters of the global economy with a compass pointing towards wisdom, not fleeting gold. And reflecting on living in harmony with nature, the Stoics invite us to consider our finances as a garden we cultivate. It's not just about planting in hope of a great harvest, but about caring for, pruning, and nurturing our resources with care and foresight. This means investing in assets that promise not only financial returns but also contribute to the well-being of our community and the balance of the wider ecosystem we live in. Virtue, the highest currency in Stoicism, becomes the currency with which we evaluate every financial transaction. We seek not only profit but also strive for justice, integrity, and generosity. In the next segment, we'll show you how to make financial decisions that reflect these virtues, how you can invest with a purpose that goes beyond profitability, and how by doing so, you can build not just a stronger portfolio but also a more meaningful legacy. Looking towards the future, with an eye on both current trends and lessons from antiquity, we wonder, how does earning money with wisdom translate? In a world obsessed with quick accumulation, Stoicism invites us to redefine success. It's not just the amount you earn, but how you earn and what you do with those resources that counts. Stoic financial wisdom goes beyond technical skills. It encompasses self-knowledge and understanding of the environment. It's about recognizing our own passions and biases and how these can cloud our judgment. By applying a Stoic approach, we focus on long-term investment over instant gratification, on quality over quantity, on substance over surface. Here's where sustainable wealth takes center stage. A balanced portfolio, one that withstands market storms and aligns with our deepest values, is the result of informed and thoughtful decisions. And when it comes to strategies for quick gains, Stoicism advises caution. The pursuit of quick profit often leads to unnecessary risks and volatility, steering us away from our path to lasting prosperity. In this segment, we'll equip you with the necessary tools to build not just wealth, but also wisdom. We will guide you through investment principles that align with a Stoic approach, favoring patience, diligence, and prudence. Step by step, we'll show you how to strengthen your financial security while enriching your life with a peace and satisfaction that money alone cannot buy. Delving deeper into how Stoic principles can guide our financial lives, let's examine practical strategies and case studies that illustrate Stoic wisdom in action. The serenity in the face of adversity, the importance of self-discipline, and the valuation of freedom over material wealth are pillars that can transform our approach to finances. First, let's consider resilience during economic crises. Stoics understood that hardships are part of life and taught that our reaction to them defines our character. In a financial context, this means maintaining calm during market fluctuations, avoiding hasty decisions based on fear or greed. We'll show you how individuals and businesses that have applied these principles not only survived economic downturns, but emerged stronger and more prepared for the future. Next, we'll address how the Stoic view on self-sufficiency and control over our own actions can influence our financial decision-making. Self-sufficiency, in this case, translates into seeking financial independence and security, not through excessive accumulation, but through prudent management of our resources and setting clear, achievable goals.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
Finally, we'll explore the connection between Stoicism and the concept of ethical investing. Stoics value justice and virtue, principles we can apply when choosing which companies or projects to invest in. Promoting responsible and sustainable business practices is not only ethically commendable but can also be financially prudent in the long term. Through concrete examples and practical advice, you'll see how these millennial principles can be applied today to create a balanced, ethical, and resilient financial strategy. Thus, Stoicism reveals itself not only as a philosophy of life but as a deeply effective financial strategy. The pursuit of eudaimonia, or a full and virtuous life, is central to Stoicism. This concept challenges us to find true wealth beyond the numbers in our bank accounts. In the financial realm, this translates into aligning our economic decisions with our deepest values, seeking not just material success but also personal and collective well-being. How can we then apply the pursuit of eudaimonia to our finances? First, by focusing on creating long-term value rather than quick, fleeting gains. This means investing in ourselves, in our education and health, as well as in our relationships and community. These investments, although not always quantifiable in monetary terms, are essential for a rich and fulfilling life. Moreover, Stoicism encourages us to practice gratitude and moderation, recognizing and appreciating what we already have. This can help us resist the constant pursuit of more, a common trap in our consumer society. By applying these principles, we can find a sense of abundance and satisfaction, regardless of our financial situation. Finally, generosity and commitment to the common good are aspects of Stoicism that enrich not only our lives but also those around us. By sharing our resources, knowledge, and time, we not only contribute to the well-being of others but also strengthen our own eudaimonia. In this segment of the video, we will offer you concrete strategies to integrate these Stoic principles into your financial planning and investment decisions. By doing so, you will discover that true prosperity is one that contributes to a good and virtuous life for yourself and for others. Now that we've explored how Stoicism can influence our attitudes and decisions regarding finances, let's look at practical tips for applying this ancient philosophy to managing our money day to day. The goal is clear: to foster a relationship with finance that is thoughtful, ethical, and sustainable. First, let's talk about the importance of establishing a conscious budget. Stoics teach us to differentiate between wants and needs, a principle that can radically transform our spending habits. By allocating resources in a way that reflects our values and long-term goals, we not only improve our financial health but also live more intentionally. Another key aspect is the creation of an emergency fund. Life, as the Stoics well knew, is unpredictable. Having a financial cushion prepares us to face setbacks with serenity without derailing our long-term plans. Investing also lends itself to a Stoic application. Instead of chasing the latest trends or seeking quick returns, we focus on investments that we understand and trust over the long term. This involves doing the homework, researching, understanding the risks, and diversifying, always following a strategy that is aligned with our principles and life goals. Finally, periodic review of our finances is crucial. Just as Stoics regularly reflected on their actions and progress, a financial checkup allows us to adjust our plans and ensure we are on the right path toward our goals. By integrating these tips into your life, you'll see how Stoicism not only enriches your financial perspective but also provides you with tools to live with greater purpose and satisfaction. We have traversed a path that intertwines Stoic wisdom with modern financial management, discovering how ancient principles can illuminate our way towards balanced and meaningful prosperity. The application of serenity, prudence, and virtue in our economic decisions not only prepares us to face market fluctuations calmly, but also guides us towards a life of authentic wealth and satisfaction. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a deeper understanding of finance through Stoicism. If you enjoyed it, please like the video. We hope this knowledge serves you well in both prosperity and challenges, and that your path to eudaimonia is as enriching as it has been to share these principles with you.